Part two, I'm also going to say we need to start moving away from planks, side planks, bridges, and even bird dogs. Now, I talk about those 4 exercises a lot, and there is a place for them. So the place for them is, let's just use the plank as the example. So we would come down and we would just build an initial isometric strength to be able to hold that position. We would then build a little bit of endurance in there because we're able to hold it for a period of time, and then we would build a degree of sort of strength, endurance and stability by not moving the hips, but we're lifting the arm from the floor. So by stability, I mean when I lift my arm from the floor, my hips don't wobble all over the place. What I'm also able to do from this exercise, from planks, side planks, bridges and bird dogs, is I'm able to feel the muscles working. So I'm able to feel the abdominals working in the plank, the obliques working in the side plank, the glutes working in the bridge, the glutes and the muscles of the back working in the bird dog. So we can do that. But once we've built that proprioception, once we've built the strength, the endurance, the stability, we then don't really need to keep doing them. What we then need to do is try and move on to something slightly different, which is where people normally then go, squats are great for core training, deadlifts are great for core training because we're loading the torso, but we're moving as well. Now, even that has a little bit of a problem because again, with squats and deadlifts and presses and pulls, it's still slow, it's still controlled, and it's that type of movement. What we want, which is where kettlebells come in, is a fast and controlled movement. So we need to start building our body, or certainly our torso, into like an elastic band, if you will, where we're able to use elastic energy, which comes with momentum, and our muscles become much more efficient and find it easier to move much heavier weight. So what we're going to do in part number 3 is we're going to talk about how that works within using kettlebells.